Here passing out, you know, interacting, networking, and I seen your table. I said I gotta step over here.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I'm Chicowize, by the way.
So where are you guys located?
We're from Georgia.
Georgia,
we're
okay.
from Georgia, yeah, so probably is.
Anyway, I'm Jamie. My channel's GOA IV8888. Tell me your name.
I'm Rachel Malone.
Rachel Malone.
Yes, I'm from Texas.
And
with a name like Rachel Malone, you gotta be from Texas.
Very good.
So are y'all having fun?
Sure are.
We are, you know, meeting folks like yourselves, but you know, we're here to help rally the base to kill gun control in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, I gotta join up.
We can do that.
I am a lifetime member of the NRA, and I feel like they took my money. I gotta join you guys.
Well, let's do it.
We can also get you hooked up with some t-shirts.
Yeah.
That'll be
awesome.
great. You probably don't have one big enough to fit my fat self.
Oh, we've got all sizes. In fact,
Dude,
if you-
We got up to 3XL, I believe.
Sure.
Huh?
What are you? Because
You
we
want
have
me to
a
open
2X,
show
we
it?
got 2X.
I can show you a t-shirt. Hang on. So we've got these wonderful new t-shirts. They've got our logo on the front, and then on the back we've got "It's a right, not a privilege."
That's
Got it
awesome.
in black and gray and navy.
So if I join, am I going to get a
We're
t-shirt?
gonna give you guys t-shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull them out right now.
And you're
We're talking
going.
about suppressors.
Yeah.
Chico and I are joining the GOA, people. And if we can
Yes,
do
they
it,
are.
and broken as we are,
We're gonna get
You
some
can do
stupid
it, too.
t-shirts, pouches. This is what it looks like, folks. So yeah, I made a video of me shooting a gun with and without a suppressor, showing that it doesn't actually make it silence. It's not this super secret ninja tool that criminals use to get away with crimes. It's something that keeps us from getting permanent hearing loss.
Yeah.
It's actually a neighborly, friendly, civilized thing to do. Shoot with a suppressor so you don't bother the neighborhood.
Yeah, I'm all for it. I'm definitely all for it. I think it's real beneficial for not only people like my son, but for the people shooting in general, because long-term exposure to to shooting over time will cause you hearing
Yes,
difficulties.
it's true.
Thank you for videoing us, Rachel. That's awesome.
Absolutely. Thanks
I gotta
for
have my
enjoying GOA.
Yes, that would be helpful. All right, well, you guys are GOA members, so use those bumper stickers. Grab some,
This is mine, right?
that one's yours. Help yourself to some of these Velcro.
Sure. We definitely like the patches.
Scotsman, are you proud of us?
Yeah, the crazy Scotsman would
I'm
be very proud of us.
I'm proud.
And Scott, Insight Freedom.
Inside Freedom, yeah. A lot of members in our community have joined, as all over our community. So.
We wish y'all the best.
Can I get one of these?
Yes.
Thank you.
I hope y'all have much success. Mr. Pratt, it's an honor to meet you. I've seen you
thank
on
you, sir.
several live streams, talking with Eric for one,
Oh, good.
and some other guys, and it means a lot to me what you're doing.
Well, thank you. I
I'm
appreciate
sorry I hadn't joined already.
it. Well, good to have you
Now
now.
you are on the videos. I know I commented on the video. It was about the HPA. And I was like, this many views, this small amount of comments, it should be more. So I'm gonna give you my channel sticker, and it's So
I
you
gave
go
you
in there,
mine,
you'll
right?
find it. You'll see it. You say that's the guy I met.
Chicowize. Wise?
Chicowize.
Wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody does that. That's no problem. It looks like Wiz.
It does look like Wiz.
It's a little different. So
Very good. Thank you.
nice meeting y'all.
Nice meeting
y'all.
you, man.
Yes, sir. Nice
Thank you,
meeting
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Look at that big old smile.
Y'all
Let me
stay dry
see
if
it.
you can.
Y'all gotta see her smile. If I can get my finger out
That's
of the
how
way.
big I smile when we get new GOA members.
Well, y'all ask for her. Tell them your name.
Rachel Malone.
Rachel Malone from Texas. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.